Hello everyone, welcome back to Take Up Education Solution. If you're planning to take the IELTS exam, this video is just for you. Today I am going to explain the complete IELTS exam pattern. That means listening, reading, writing and speaking. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how each section works and how you can score your best. So let's get started with listening. In the listening section, you will listen to 4 recordings, a mix of conversations and monologues from real life and academic situations. There are 40 questions in total. You will get 30 minutes to listen and then extra 30 minutes to transfer your answers. The types of questions will include like multiple choice, fill in the blanks, matching and map or diagram labeling. I have some tips for this. So before the audio starts, you have to read the questions first, focus on the keywords and remember, check your spelling carefully. So now let's move on to the reading section. The format depends on your test type. For academic IELTS, you will read 3 long passages from journals or books. For general training, there will be 5 shorter passages from notices, ads and articles. You will have 60 minutes to answer 40 questions and no extra time to transfer answers. The common question types would be like true or false, not given, matching headings, sentence completion and multiple choice questions. Some tips for you all. You have to skim for the main idea, scan for details, don't get stuck on one question, spend about 20 minutes per passage. Now comes the writing section. For many students, this section is the most challenging part. You will have 60 minutes for 2 tasks. If you are taking academic IELTS, the task 1 would be like describing a chart, graph or diagram in at least 150 words. Task 2 would be to write an essay on a given topic in about 50 words. General training IELTS, the task 1 would be to write a formal or informal letter. And task 2, the same type of essay as it is in the academic. Now, few tips to follow. Plan your essay for 5 minutes. Use linking words like however, moreover and therefore. And check your grammar and word count before submitting. Finally, the speaking test. It's just like a friendly interview with your examiner. The test lasts about 11 to 14 minutes and it's divided into 3 parts. The part 1 would be like introduction and simple questions about your home, studies or hobbies. The part 2 will have a cue card and you will get 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak on a topic. Part 3 is a discussion which would be deeper, more abstract questions related to your cue card topic. Now, few tips to follow. Speak naturally and confidently. Don't memorize your questions and remember, pronunciation and fluency matter more than your accent. So that's the complete IELTS LSRW exam pattern. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Take Up Education Solutions for more IELTS preparation videos and tips. See you in my next video.